Let's assemble the sound around box. Follow these simple steps. Before you begin, notice that each part is labeled A through F. Step 1. Hold the light blue panel B so that it faces you. Slide the white panel A into the right edge of panel B, joining them along their interlocking puzzle fit edges. Step 2. Slide the dark blue panel C into the right edge of panel A, joining them along their interlocking puzzle fit edges. Step 3. Line up the grooves along the inside bottom edges of panels A, B, and C. Slide the box's bottom panel D into the grooves of panels B and C until it fits securely into the groove on panel A. Step 4. Confirm panel D is pushed in all the way, then slide the blackboard panel E into the interlocking puzzle fit edges of panels B and C. Step 5. Flip the box upside down. Gently bend bracing bar F into a slight arch and insert the ends into the notches. You're all set. Your sound around box is ready to use. For best results, keep the box assembled once construction is complete. Now it's time to celebrate and enjoy the learning.